Hello, this is Ibrahim, and in this video I'm going to talk more about the destination where we upload the files to. We've seen the previous videos which you can access from the playlist. We've seen how to upload a file and how to display the images or the files that we have uploaded, as well as a simple validation in the client side. For this video, I'm going to talk more about the concept that I've introduced in the previous video, which basically, say for example, for the scenarios where you want to specify the destination of the folder you want to upload the images to, for example, or a certain files to. This example, I'm going to use the example of, say you're a journalist and you want to upload images for a given superhero that's been cited in the city. Say for example you have Batman, Spider-Man, let me add maybe One Punch Man. So you have these three superheroes, and you could have, of course, multiple of them. So what we want to do is, from the front end, we want to choose which file to upload to, and the back end would upload to that specific file. So without changing much in the uploader, I've done a simple makeup to it. Let me run it just so you see what I've changed. Yeah, it's simple. I just simply added there we go. So I simply added a little bootstrapping here. It's very basic, nothing much. So just imported the bootstrap and stuff, etc., etc. So now what I'm going to do is that let me stop this. Well, let me close it. There we are. So what I want to do now is that we want to choose which of these folders to upload to. So there are several approaches we could do that without making much modifications to our code. We want to go with the simplest method. The simplest method would be probably, well, in this case and for this specific scenario, would be to add a drop-down list like so, select like that, and we add in options to it. Option with a given value, say for example value would equal Batman, and then we want to display Batman here, and then another option with the value of Spider-Man. So there we are. These are the options, and let's give the drop-down list an ID so that we will be able to access it without a problem. And name would be superhero. There we are. So what we want to achieve is that we want to allow the user to choose which folder to upload to, and we simply want to access to get this value, the value of the selected item in the back end here, and we'll see how that goes. Anyway, so we have the list of superheroes here, and let me add a class. Let me just verify which bootstrap class to use for this one. Quickly do that. Select as well as the drop down list. That would be form control. Okay, so we know this, so we'll be using those two CSS classes here. So for this one we will be using the form control like that, and let's add a division here. We'll name this class, form item, form group like that, and then we shall close this like that, so that we will have these are just styling considerations we have to keep just to have a good looking form. And we want to also add a group for the success button, and we have to move this one up so that the message would conform to the file picker here. So we just put it down here. Let me just rearrange this so it would look better. Let's test this and see how it looks like. So let me refresh. So we got a list of the folders that we want to upload to. Say for example we want to upload to Batman, Spider-Man, One Punch Man. So let's do that. And now how we select the value chosen by the user in the back end is that we have the uploader here. This is the method that does the uploading for us. And this is, we've seen how to obtain the list of files from the file picker. And what we also need to add is that we have to, let's also choose the folder. See, let's name this folder name, and we're going to use the request.form, and then we supply in the name of the element that we're using. In this case, it's actually called superhero, so I'm going to specify that it's superhero. Let's validate that things are working properly for us, and let's print the folder name. There we are. So we're not doing anything just yet with the folder name. What we want to also do afterwards is that we just want to plug it in to the list of files that we want to upload here. So for now, we just want to verify that things are working for us, and we have everything the way we want it to. We have everything in place, and just everything the way we wanted it to be in. So now let's try this. Let me run this. Sorry. Disconnect. Let me just rerun this. And sorry, let me refresh. And now we have, say for example, Batman chosen by default. Let's browse for an image. Let me choose tulips, and file supported. Let's do the uploading, and this is the image that we've uploaded. Let's just verify things. I will see exactly what you're expecting. We have Batman here, which is the folder name. So this would be the values that we've specified here. This result is actually the value. So make sure that the value conforms to the folder name here. So what you could also do, just to make things nice, or make things validated properly, is just in case this one, for some reason, somehow the user added maybe a faulty folder for some reason. Anyways, anything could happen in the client side. So what you could do is that you could verify here that the folder name that we've obtained, the folder name, similarly as we have done here. We could do if not os dot path dot is file is there, and then we supply in the target, which is basically the folder name. And if it's not, we just simply want to choose, maybe we could do anything here, any kind of operation here. Say for example, we want to upload it to a folder of our choosing. Maybe let's call this maybe any name, faulty folder or something, anything. So this is a way you could do the validation here. I'm not going to do it here, just I'll let you do that. For now, let's just get these things done with our example. And then now that we have the folder name, what we could do is we could add it here to the path format by using the format approach, the format method, and then I'll supply in the folder name. One thing to add is that we're uploading to files and not to images, so we also have to change this to files. And let's go back. Let's choose One Punch Man, and let's browse for a maybe koala, and upload. And we seem to have a problem. Yeah, maybe format, sorry. Let me restart this and re-upload, say for example, an image that does not exist in any of the folders. And we seem to have a problem here simply because we still did not modify complete.html to actually display the image that we really need. For now, let's verify that One Punch Man has the image that we really wanted, and this is exactly the image. And if we can verify that it's uploaded, and things seem to be working just fine. So I think we've done a good job here. This is one way we could you do the to upload to multiple files and let the user decide which folder to upload to, and this could be very handy. Again, when you need to display the complete.html, depends on if you want to display all of those images, you could do what we've done in gallery, but instead you could loop through the list of folders in here and display those images and add them to a list of and append the list names in each of the folders and display them in gallery, just the way we display them here. If you want to display a specific image based on your logic, you could pass the file name. You could pass the file name to the image. You could store it in image name here, and you could display it in complete.html, just the way we've seen in the previous videos. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And I'll be uploading this code to GitHub. Feel free to check it out over there. And have a good day. Thank you.